Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'm gonna be doing OnePlus 6 water test. This phone comes in two variants. This one is the 6 gigs of RAM with 64 gigs of storage, and the other one is the 8 gigs of RAM with 128 gigs of storage. And it is powered by Snapdragon 845. So before we get started, OnePlus 6 giveaway is going on my channel. To participate, all you have to do is like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. And comment down below what's the best thing you like about this phone. I will randomly pick the winner and announce the winner on 4th June on my social media. So make sure you follow me on social media. And as you can see, the phone is fully working. Now let's put this phone in. Now I'm gonna start the timer and start filling up the water. I'm leaving this OnePlus 6 in the water for 1 minute. The OnePlus 6 is not completely water resistant. Let's see if the OnePlus 6 can survive in the water. And as you can see, the phone is not responding to the touches in the water. Let's flip this phone. Flip it back again. And the display is still on. Now let's take out this phone. So yeah, now I'm gonna clean the water and let's see if the phone still works. And as you can see, the phone is fully working, and also the phone is very responsive to the touches. But the water went inside the headphone jack and in the speaker. The back camera looks perfectly fine, and the water didn't went inside the camera. And also, nothing happened to the front camera. Now let's check the camera. The camera is fully working and it still takes great photos. Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'll be doing OnePlus 6 unboxing. And also there's little surprise for you guys in this video. The speaker is also working without any problem. And also the fingerprint sensor is working, and it unlocks the phone as soon as I put my finger on it. So yeah, the OnePlus 6 survived my water test. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. The links will be in the description below.